Guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about the best tool that I have found after 6 years of swing trading. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button, subscribe. And if you guys want to learn more about swing trading and trading in the market, check out our school. We have private live streams, quizzes, lectures, a group chat, but more importantly, we actually teach you to trade. It's not a get rich quick. It's not alerts or anything like that. And we're doing our Black Friday sale for 51% off, which is the largest sale we've done. So check it out down below. And guys, let's jump into this. So after 6 years of swing trading, in my personal opinion, the one thing that helped me jumpstart my trading and really start taking it serious, and figuring out what I'm doing right, what I'm doing wrong, is journaling. Journaling, in my opinion, is probably the best thing a new trader can do and a veteran trader can do. The reason why I say this and why I'm talking about this here is because if let's just say you're a new trader and you journal every single trade, you will understand what's working, what's not working, so you can focus on what's working. And if you're a veteran trader, the exact same thing. You're going to go through cycles where you get better and you make more money doing certain strategies. So what am I talking about? So we actually created this really exciting journal. And I kind of want to show you guys what it is here. And if you guys want this, I'll put this down below. You guys can get it. It's been a long time coming. We've worked with a lot of freelancers, and I'm very excited for this. So how you guys navigate this here, and I kind of want to show you guys everything that it offers here. So we go to the setup tab. The setup, all you do is you put in your currency, your starting balance. So imagine if we were starting with $500, you can put it in your starting month here, your starting year, trade direction. So if you buy, sell, or even, if you short, you can put in whatever you want. Also, you want to put in all the strategies you guys do. So if you like moving average lines, breakouts, whatever it is, you guys can even do a short description here. And then you want your trade status. So are you holding? You sold it. So after you do that, you want to go to trade log. So trade log here is going to be where you actually write down all of your trades here. And so these were some of the trades here that we've took. All you got to do is you fill out all this information. So the number of trades. So you want to have your entry date, the direction that you put in, your quantity of shares, ticker, your strategy, entry, your stop loss, your profit goal, your exit time, your exit price, the overall commission. Now, what it generates here is this, all this information here. And this is just honestly, just like the tip of the iceberg. So it'll have your max profit, your max loss, your risk per trade, your max risk and reward, your R multiple, and more importantly here, your P&L here off on the far right here. Win-loss status, it's closed, and then your overall balance here. So you can even paper trade with this. So after you guys go in your trading log here, then what you do is you go to your dashboard. Your dashboard is going to be kind of seeing what's working and what's not working. So it'll have all your trade performance, your account balance, starting capital. Over on this left-hand side here, we'll have your total number of trades, any net deposits, your profit and loss, commissions, winning trades, losing trades, average time in trades. As we scroll down here, account balance over time, your P&L, your trade performance by month. So since we just made this, your P&L by month here. And then as you continue to go and you add more information, you add all of this information here on the weekly, the monthly, and it will generate information for you to start helping making you money with your trades. And this is what's very important here that I would highly recommend doing, is to start journaling here. On top of that, we also have a position size calculator, and we do have a trade size calculator, or a risk and reward trading calculator coming very, very soon. I'll kind of give you a general idea of how that's going to look here. It's going to look very similar to Insider Week here. When you guys, don't worry, when you guys, purchase this journal, you guys will have access to this when it's done here. But why this is important here, same thing. If you guys are starting out with $500, you take a trade a week, risking 2%. With that risk and reward of 1 to 5, risking $1 to make $5. 50 win loss. It will break down your calculation. So your start, your average gain per trade, your return on investment, your trade return graph, your results trade return. It'll break down all of this information for you so you can start making money. And that's what's very important. Journaling your trades is probably one of the most underutilized things traders don't do. So us here at the Swing Trading Masterclass developed a digital journal that you guys can use both on your phones. You can use it on your computers to start keeping track of your trades. And yes, I highly recommend this. It is honestly something that we're going to continue to work at, continue to evolve as the weeks go by, as the months and years go by. It's only going to get better. So click that link down below. It's the digital journal. You guys can download it, make a copy of it, and I hope you guys all enjoy it. I'm very excited for this, and obviously more to come. So we'll see you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, and hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and take care.